The vacation was beautiful. The rest was necessary. But real wealth is not built in hotels, it's built in soil. And when I came back to Cholla Farm, this is what was waiting for me. 3 months, no rain. The ground was hard like stone. And in farming, timing is everything. These Managu, or rather the African nightshade, were transplanted 2 weeks ago. Not all survived, but the ones that did, look at them. Healthy, strong, some are already ready for harvest. Because there was no rain, we had to improvise. The river is just next to us. So my colleague just used the jerry cans to water manually. And, this is what starting over looks like. It's not glamorous, it's commitment. This section is ready for transplanting. You can see chicken manure, kitchen waste, and animal manure. This is important because chicken manure improves nitrogen levels, essential for leafy vegetables like managu. Kitchen waste adds organic matter and improves soil structure, while animal manure increases microbial activity. When we transplant the remaining seedlings, all these will be mixed into the soil. Healthy soil means lower fertilizer costs. Lower costs mean higher margins. This section next to the Managu has been slashed, ready for ploughing, but the ground was too hard. Without rain, ploughing would damage equipment and waste fuel, so we waited. On my way here is Kunde, or rather cowpeas, right? This is a different farm, but we are planning to expand that too, okay? Cash flow must continue even while other sections reset. And then after 1 hour of watering, it started raining. Water waste, right? Not really. This rain changed everything. The rain softened the soil overnight, and today is ploughing day. By the time I was heading to the farm, the tractor was already working. We even brought 2 tractors to speed up the process. Time is money in farming. This land will host kales, spinach, and sagaa. Fast-moving crops, short cycles, quick liquidity. We didn't stop there. This is another farm where we normally grow maize. And if 2026 is about restructuring, every inch must work. Rain is opportunity, and we don't waste opportunity. The vacation was beautiful, but this is the real wealth. Starting over is not failure, it's strategy. 3 months of no rain, 1 night of rain, and everything moves again. 2026 is not just poultry, it's a land management, it's systems, it's structure. Thank you so much for keeping it here on Cholla Farm channel. Continue subscribing, liking, and of course commenting on our videos. Till next time.